Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will do hot red lips festival makeup look. It's festival season and don't wear red lipstick. It can never happen. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So let's start with the first product, primer. Before the primer I did CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine. Primer is very important for the skin. Along with the protecting your skin, it also makes your makeup long lasting and gives a smooth surface for your makeup. So the primer has to be applied gently on the skin and apply well near the nose, and don't forget the neck at all. Now your skin is ready for the makeup. After applying the primer, we will apply orange corrector. Apply orange corrector wherever you have pigmentation problem, like under the eyes, near the mouth, and have to wait for 30 seconds and then blend it well. If you have few dark circles, then also you have to do color correcting. But do not remove the entire corrector. Blend it with light strokes until the harsh line completely blended. Now after color correcting, we will apply foundation. My foundation is full coverage. I apply my foundation like dot all over my face and then blend it well. Remember, blending is the most important thing. The better you blend, the better your foundation will be. This doesn't mean that you make foundation cakey by over blending. And one more thing, always blend with the damn beauty blender. Your foundation will be 100% cakey with a dry beauty blender. Now it's concealer time. Concealer has to be applied as much as it's told. No need to apply more. Then blend it too. Blend, 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 blend. Now our orange corrector is completely hidden. Now we have to set the base. So we will use loose powder. After using loose powder well, we will now apply eyeshadow. So first we will apply the white shade so that the rest of the shade pops up. Now after applying white shade, I will apply the matching shade of my skin tone. Make sure to blend well. Then I will apply matching bronze glitter to my dress. Because we are going to have very heavy red lips, so we will keep the eyes simple. You have to apply even on under eyes. Only then our eyes looks complete. So eyes makeup is complete. Now apply blush. So for the blush I will use a very light peach shade. We'll blend it too. Now let's make the face sharp by contouring. So you have to imagine the line from the ear to the lip. Until the half line, contouring has to be done with the 1 to 2 dark shade from the skin tone and blend the contour upwards. After that, apply contour on jawline and little on the forehead and blend. And while contouring on the nose, you just keep the such small brush on the nose and apply contour on it. Then take out the brush and we will blend it a little. Now we will fill our eyebrows. Of course, it's festival time, so you must have got your eyebrows waxed. So you have to fill randomly eyebrows and get the brows fixed with this brush. Now my favorite makeup product, that's the highlighter. Makeup is incomplete without the highlighter. So the first over the lips, a little on the nose, on the forehead and little on the cheekbone. And look the magic. How awesome it looks. Now apply lipstick. If you want, you can apply directly But if you want a clean look, then you apply lipstick with a flat brush. This will make your lips shape look even better. It will take time while applying with the brush, but the lip shade will be look great after building up. Last but not the least is false lash. After applying glue on lashes, you have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds and then apply on the eyes. And our makeup is done. So that's all in today's video. So if you like my video, do like and share, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to meet me every day, then follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Bye bye, love you all.